good day, I hit the bar, cause sometimes I'd rather hit the city. I hit the Burke, I hit the town, I'm Barton round. 10 toes deep, hit this yay rich ground. I float, now I'm woke out of sound sleep, cause I was focused on the screech. Wake your ass up every week in morning when the bar train soaring. Nostalgic cast sounds remind me days I was stunting. Been taking the bar my whole life, but all of a sudden a day comes when you understand the proper way to run it. You transfer at MacArthur, or you riding out past Dublin.
This is the Insta360 1x2 pocket Steadicam. I got this to get better footage for skating and snowboarding. This thing's pretty nice. It feels pretty heavy duty. I feel like I could like throw it and it'd be fine. There's a lot of different. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this is. Some clip for something. Oh, the battery. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Just hidden into the side. Oh crap, is that the right way? Ooh. I'm not sure. Okay, it says up. You gotta press it pretty hard to get it back in. This is for charging. Takes a Type-C. What the heck? I think that's back in. Power. I believe this would be for showing how much life it has. Nice screen. And I believe this would be a photo button. Never mind, I powered it on. Cool little contact lens things. Okay, fresh out of the box, it starts off with half battery. This is dope. While recording, you cannot see the device, but it is showing everything around it.
Pregnant women on a crowded ass bar train. That's a bitch ass base shit. Now you looking at the window reflections, keeping you ready for the weirdos. I can see 9 angles. Whoa, I'm ready for finito. I need a stack burrito. Guadalajara taco truck near Fruitville by Oblisco.
Comes with a USB-C, Type-C, a travel pouch, seems like it's pretty good quality, very soft, and some instruction manuals, lens cleaner, and some stickers.
Faster on the schedule. Bar beat the way. I'm speeding through all the levels. I'm speeding through all the levels.
This is the Insta360. What's it? Selfie stick. You have to purchase this separately, but apparently you can make the entire thing disappear. Oh wow. It looks pretty nice. There's a good grip, and oh wow, extends pretty far. Ooh. Kind of like a lightsaber, and I guess we'll see how this looks. SanDisk SDs. And you just stick this thing in like this. Oh, oh wait, maybe I got it. Yeah. There we go. Let's see if this boy will record now. Nope. I also forgot to install the app.
You have to have the app to record.
I don't know. It says Insta360. Hello? Go away. So it has a 5.7K, 4K, and 3K settings with either 24, 25, or 30 FPS. And if you swipe to the right, auto and manual settings, swipe down, you can lock, quick capture, and LED, and brightness. Crap. You can plug in earbuds. There's a mic, and voice activated is what it looks like. File area, and the 3 settings of recording. I gotta scan this QR code that's gonna give me and install this app. They have 2 apps. Insta360 1X, which looks like it was for their original model, and they have Insta360 Go. It says it's for all models, the 1X2, the R, and the X. Oh wow, it's searching for the camera. Connect. Oh. There we go. Right now there is a 2-step verification process for activating your camera to the app, and I have just activated it. Let's see. Currently connecting to the camera. Let's see. Alright, so it's this way. Oh, I can do this. What the heck? Oh, alright. So in the app, you can press this reframe button, I think, and it just changes the angle of which it's facing. There's a 360 view where, wow, it just stays in one spot, no matter what angle I change it. Oh, there we go. Hey.
That's insane.
and the pole is gone. Let me see. Yep, the pole is completely gone. And I'm rotating it. You can see there's, whoa! Gotta make sure to lock the pole, otherwise it will just slide down onto your fingers. There's 4 categories here: live, reframe live, photo, and video. And I believe I just tap this button and we're rolling. And it automatically saves once you stop. Shows you beginner guide of how to use all the settings. Holy, what the heck? So it's making me like do like a trial thing where it shows me how to do all of the settings.
You remember lesson about the balance?
Yeah.
Lesson not just karate only. Lesson for whole life. Whole life of balance. Everything be better. Understand?
Balance on the flow, leave the hate at home. Balance makes us home, the world will be as known. Balance on the flow, leave the hate at home. Balance makes us home, the world will be as known. It's known through the days and it's known shore to shore, from the waves of Japan to the coast of New York, all the way to the bay down south Ecuador. I'm just hoping that the balance be something we all ensure through these days and the ones in the future. Every day but seeming like something somewhat of a blooper. Different kinds of setbacks, villains on Lex Luthor, not to mention how this bread and obviously he got the humor. But I just flow through the faded tides, try to balance through the risks of my everyday life. I see clouds appear darker when moons begin to cry. The pain is giving glory for ones who made it high. Below is where that vision glow, something they don't understand like what you live for. In days where this rent getting real fucking critical, bounce the monthly $2 grand for 2 rooms, 1 living room. Balance on the flow, leave the hate at home. Balance makes us home, the world will be as known. Balance on the flow, leave the hate at home. Balance makes us home, the world will be as known. Balance makes us home. My man, this involved what you see, that ain't all. I've been trying to phone and call, my mind ain't with it at all, at all. Oh, I've been so deep in my mind that my thoughts singing. I've been working on my life and on my inner demons, still feel the same way, waking up a different day, falling back like it's gravity. I climbed the mountain for my siblings and the family, so all the ones I pushed away is my apologies. Straight from the soul, our days are untold. Wonder why these tragedies consistently unfold. Maybe best to pack up, take a few weeks off from home. Run away, I say no, back away and balance through the pain. Living as a youngin' through these days. Balance on the flow, leave the hate at home. Balance makes us home, the world where peace is known. Balance on the flow, leave the hate at home. Balance makes us home, the world where peace is known. Balance